Okay, so for the main window, we have discussed how you can use the main window. Now let's look at how you can use indicator window 1. This is our indicator window 1. This is our indicator window 1. So you use indicator window 1 when the red lines, these are red lines, when they cross below, when the red line cross below the 25 level, you look for buy opportunities. All right. And you look for sell opportunities when the red line cross above the 75 level. Okay. When the red line cross below, look for buy opportunities. Okay. When it crosses below the 25 level, look for buy opportunities. More like you are the support level. Try and look for bullish candlestick signal or bullish or buy signal. And when it's above the 75, when the red line is above the 75 level, as you are at the resistance or you're approaching resistance, look for sell signal. Okay. When it's below 25 level, okay, you are at the support, look for buy opportunities. You can see what happened. And when it's above the 75 level, that means you are at the resistance, look for sell opportunities. So basically that's how to use indicator window 1. Let's look at indicator window 2. This indicator window 2. So how do we use this to trade? Okay. Now when the red line, when it stays up below, okay, the band, okay, the black line. So you look for buy opportunities when it crosses from below, when it crosses the lower band, okay, when it crosses in above the lower band, that's your buy signal. Now reverse is the case for sell signal. When it gets up, when it's above the band and it crosses below the upper band, going down, that's a sell signal. Okay, this is your buy signal. All right, this sell signal. Okay, when it gets up and crosses below the upper band, that's a sell signal. Now bullish trend is when the red line stays at the top, continues to stay at the top and does not turn down. When it continues to lap with the roof, okay, of the indicator window 2 and does not turn down to the upper band, that means you are in a bullish trend. Okay, same thing goes for a bearish trend. Let's look for where we have a bearish trend. Okay, like something like here, but it's not much. Gold has been going up in recent time. Okay, this is a bearish trend, but not for long. It's a bullish trend. It's a bullish trend. Okay, it's a bullish trend. So that is that. Okay, for indicator window 2. Let's look at how you can use indicator window 3 to find a very good signals for trading gold. Okay, now this is indicator window 3. Okay, now how do you use the indicators on the indicator window 3? Now when the orange line crosses above the blue, that's a buy signal. When it crosses below the blue, Like you have a cross below here, that's a sell signal. So it's as simple as that. This is your buy signal. Cross up is a buy signal. Okay, you can always check it with what is happening on the main chart. Okay, you have a buy signal, then what's happening on the main chart. Okay, you have a bullish candle crossing above the red line, so you can confidently place your buy trade and scalp some profit. Okay, when it crosses down, sell signal, like you have around a sell signal. Okay, so that's basically how to use indicator window 3. Now the same thing applies to indicator window 4. This indicator window 4. All right, now just like indicator window 3, the sell signal, when the red line crosses down on the orange, sell signal. When it crosses up on the orange, buy signal. Crosses down on the orange, you have your sell signal. Okay, when it crosses up, buy signal. Crosses down, sell signal. Crosses up, buy signal. This buy signal, that's sell signal. So that's that for indicator window 4, and also the same thing for indicator window 5. This is indicator window 5. This is indicator window 5. So when it crosses down, and the red line crosses down the blue line, that's a sell signal. When it crosses up, buy signal. Crosses down, sell signal. There's a cross up, buy signal. Okay, and there's a cross down for it to sell. Look for sell opportunities and trading gold. You can see what happened on the main chart. Price sliding. Okay, you can see the slide. Okay, and we have a sell signal here, and then price also slides. So let's look at the parameters for the strategy. Okay, we have some indicators. We have like 5 indicator windows and the main chart. Okay, for the main chart, we have fractals. Okay, then we have moving average, 50 period, simple moving average applied to close. Color is blue. Then we have 240 period, simple moving average applied to close. Color is gray. Okay, 240 gray. Then we have 4 period, smoothed applied to close. Color is red. And then we have 850 simple moving average applied to close. Color is gray. For indicator window 1, we have MACD. Fast EMA is 12. Slow EMA is 26. MACD SMA is 9 applied to close. Okay, the main color of the main style will match the background color of the charts. The color of the signal style is red. Okay, then we have relative strength index. The period is 10 applied to close. Color will match the background color of the chart, but we have levels. The first level is 25 for buy. The second level is 75 for sell. Then we have 40, 60, 38, and 62. Color is black. Then we have MACD. Fast EMA is 15. Slow EMA is 29. MACD SMA is 10. Apply to close. Now the color of the main style match the background color of the chart. And the color of the signal style is red. So that's that for indicator window 1. For indicator window 2, we have relative strength index. Period is 4. Apply to close. Color will match the background color of your chart. Then we have Bollinger Bands. Period is 64. Deviation is 1.119. Shift is 0. Apply to first indicator's data. Color is black. Then we have moving average. Period is 4. Shift is 0. Method is linear weights applied to previous indicators data. Now the color is purple. Then we have relative strength index. Period is 4. Applied to previous indicators data, and color is red. Okay. Now for indicator window 3, we have MACD. Fast EMA is 5. Slow EMA is 15. MACD SMA is 1. Applied to typical price HLC over 3. Now the color of the main style will match the background color of the chart. Color of the signal is red. Then we have moving average 240 period. Shift is 0. Method is exponential. Apply to first indicators data, and the color is blue. Now for indicator window 4, we have momentum indicator. Period is 13. Apply to close. Color is red. Still on indicator window 4, we have moving average. Period is 100. Shift is 0. Method is simple. Apply to first indicators data. Color is orange. Now the last indicator window, which is indicator window 5, MACD. Fast EMA is 12. Slow EMA is 26. MACD SMA is 9. Apply to close. Now the color of the main and the signal star will match the background color of the chart. Then we have moving average. Period is 1. Shift is -3. Method is linear weights. Apply to first indicators data, and the color is red. And another moving average. Period is 202. Shift is 0. Method is linear weights. Apply to previous indicators data, and the color is blue. Then we have envelopes. Period is 7. Shift is 0. Division is 0.100. Method is linear weights. Apply to previous indicators data. Now the color of the upper band and the lower band is black. So that's that for the parameters for the strategy. It's a very good strategy. You will like it, but make sure you backtest it, check it with history, how it has performed in history. Try it out on demo account before you go on the live account. Don't try a new strategy on your real money without you knowing how to use it. Okay, don't try it on real money at first. Try it on demo account. If you're able to make successful trades using this strategy on demo account for some time, then you can try it out on real money and make some profit. Okay, so don't forget to click the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, click the like button, like the video, drop your question, drop your comments below the video. Also click the bell button below the video for notification. We have a website, www.benefxtrader.com. We also have another website, fxfables.com. You can visit these two websites to learn more on how to trade Forex and volatility index. Till I come your way next time with another strategy.